Want to do email marketing? Here's how. If you are running a successful business, you may have already used many of the marketing techniques out there. But if you haven't used an email marketing campaign, you could be missing out on greater success. Here are some effective ways to market your business through email, so you can leave no stone unturned in your quest for excellence. When sending an email as part of your marketing campaign, do not use a casual font. You want customers to take your product or business seriously, and they probably will not do that with an uncommon font. Pick out a font that is well known, such as Times Roman numeral, Arial or Verdana. Get your audience to help you expand. After you have a couple of people watching your emails, consider finding ways to get them to ask their friends to sign up. By including a subscription link within your emails, your recipients can easily offer it to others they know will sign up. This way your base will grow organically. Use A/B testing to see which emails are successful and which ones aren't. For a single email, split your mailing list in half randomly, with each half receiving messages that have different subjects. You will learn which subject lines have the best open rates and which ones people ignore. Let your readers choose the layout of your content. Any messages with images, graphics and JavaScript is likely to get eaten by software filters and never seen by human eyes. Send out basic text or rich text format including a link to your website, and the option of an HTML version for those that want it. When people opt into your email marketing list, you need to let them know what to expect upfront. Tell subscribers how often they can expect to hear from you and what types of communications you will be sending them. If they are expecting the volume of mail you will be sending, they are less likely to get frustrated and unsubscribe. Playing with fonts is fun, and you may be tempted to spice up your emails with exotic fonts. Resist that temptation. Fonts may display differently, or even be replaced by defaults, on someone else's computer. Even if an odd font does display correctly, there is no guarantee that your recipient will appreciate it the same way you do. To avoid any font-based mishaps, stick with fonts that are widespread, easy to read, and understated. Being the best means using all the tools and methods available to you to build your company. If you use the tips laid out in this video, you have a good chance of being the best. Make sure to use these to craft an email marketing campaign you can be proud of. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.